How to fix the new Outlook not showing or opening email attachments. So here I am in the new Outlook application. So from here, what you should be able to do is that when you go to an email, you should be able to open it perfectly right here without having any problems. So if you are having any problems with showing or opening email attachments, what we can do first is that we can double check some settings. So from here, we can go to File, we can go to Settings. From here, type in Attachments. Then click Attachments right here, and then make sure that this is turned on. Warn me when I send a message that may be missing an attachment. The other one is that you can go to Inline Attachment Previews. Then you can also turn on Show Attachments right here for your message list layout. So now, if those are turned on and it's still not working, what you can do now is that we can use the repair feature of Outlook. So this is already built in your desktop. So what we need to do is that we just need to go to search and then type in installed applications or installed apps. So just click that. From here, your Windows settings should open. And then here in the search bar, let's search for Outlook. From here, we can see the application for Outlook, and then we can click the three dots right here. So just click that, click Advanced Options. From here, we need to close Outlook first. So to do that, we can just go ahead and click Terminate. So this will immediately terminate or close the Outlook application and related processes. So click Terminate. From here, we have the Repair and Reset function. So we can use the Repair button first. So now as you can see, it will repair Outlook. Now, after it has repaired, you can go ahead and try opening Outlook again to see if the problem is now fixed. If the problem is still not fixed now, what you can do is that you can use the reset button. But keep in mind that if you use this, the application's data will be deleted. So what that basically means is that it will just go back to the default state of the new Outlook application. So it will also just log out of your account. So what you need to do is that when you go back to the Outlook application again, you just need to log in to your account. So that is all. You just need to log in your account details so that you can use your account again. And then that is basically it. So that is how we can fix the new Outlook not showing or opening email attachments. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.